Are you curious as to how to make passive income from home? Passive income is income earned with minimal ongoing effort or active involvement. Today, we're diving into 5 easy ways to build passive income from the comfort of your own home. 1. Investing in real estate. Real estate can be a path to passive income, allowing you to earn money even while you're at home. This can be achieved through rental properties, where tenants pay rent each month, generating a steady stream of income. You can also explore options like real estate investment trusts REITs, which offer dividends, or online platforms that allow fractional ownership of properties, potentially providing passive income without directly managing a physical property. While real estate investing requires upfront effort and carries its own set of risks, it can be a way to build wealth and generate income over time. 2. Selling digital products such as ebooks. Ebooks offer a unique opportunity to generate passive income from home. Once the writing, editing, and publishing process is complete, selling ebooks online through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or your own website allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. Each sale triggers an automatic download for the buyer, creating a passive income stream. Additionally, digital products like ebooks are easily scalable, meaning you can reach a global audience and potentially see increasing sales over time without additional production costs. While initial effort is required, ebooks offer a flexible and potentially lucrative way to generate income from the comfort of your home. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn income from home by promoting other companies' products or services. You will receive a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. By creating content through ways like blog posts, videos, and social media that resonates with your audience and recommending products you genuinely believe in, you can establish trust and encourage them to click on your links and make purchases. While building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort, the potential for passive income lies in the ability to continue earning commissions even while you're not actively promoting products, as long as your content continues to attract clicks and conversions. Before I continue, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos on wealth creation tips. 4. Investing in dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks can be a way to generate passive income from the comfort of your home. These stocks pay out a portion of the company's profits to shareholders on a regular basis, typically quarterly. While the stock price itself may fluctuate, these regular dividend payments can provide a steady stream of income over time. This allows you to potentially earn money even while you're not actively managing your investments, although it's important to remember that stock prices can go down, and you may lose money on your investment. However, dividend-paying stocks can be a good option for those seeking a long-term passive income strategy that requires minimal ongoing effort. 5. Create an online course. Crafting an online course unlocks the potential for passive income from the comfort of your own home. Once the course is developed and uploaded to a learning platform, the work becomes largely passive. Your expertise is packaged into modules, videos, and resources that students can access anytime, anywhere. Each enrollment translates into income without requiring continuous effort from you. While the initial creation process takes time and dedication, the ongoing income potential and scalable reach can be highly rewarding, allowing you to empower others and generate income simultaneously. Do you know of other ways to make passive income from home? Feel free to share your comments below. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.